Tired of online shopping worries? Do you ever hesitate to enter your card details on a new website? You're not alone. In a world where we buy everything from groceries to gadgets online, keeping your money and personal information safe is a top priority. But what if there was an easier, more secure way to shop with a single, smart solution? That's where Monese comes in. Beyond being just a digital money account, Monese is a powerful tool designed to give you peace of mind while you shop online. Today, we're diving into the best ways to use Monese to make your online purchases not just convenient, but also incredibly secure. First up, let's talk about the Monese virtual card. This is your secret weapon. The virtual card is a digital-only card with a unique number, separate from your physical card. Why is this a game changer? It means you can use it for all your online shopping, and if a website ever gets compromised, your main card details are still safe. You can even lock and unlock your virtual card directly from the app, giving you complete control in a single tap. Next, Monese has built-in security features that work in the background to protect you. A key one is 3D Secure. When you make a purchase on a participating website, Monese will send a notification to your app. All you have to do is log in and approve the payment. This extra step of verification ensures that it's actually you making the transaction, not a fraudster. And for an even more seamless experience, you can link your Monese card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. This allows you to pay with your phone or smartwatch, using the added layers of encryption and biometric security that these platforms provide. It's fast, private, and means you never have to type your card number into a website again. Finally, Monese gives you real-time notifications for every transaction. This is crucial. If you see an unexpected charge, you can immediately lock your card in the app and contact support. This instant feedback loop is one of the most effective ways to stop fraud in its tracks. So, whether you're using a virtual card for added protection, leveraging 3D Secure for peace of mind, or paying with your phone for ultimate convenience, Monese is built to make online shopping safe and simple. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.